Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by protecting your data, so back up to iCloud or to a computer now. This preserves contacts, photos, and app data. Once done, go to Settings and disable Find My iPhone. Apple requires that off to remove an account. Next, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings your name, and make sure you have access to trusted devices or phone numbers for two-factor verification. This prevents lockouts later. Now remove the account from every device you own so no device keeps your credentials. On each device, open Settings and sign out. When prompted, enter the Apple ID password to disable activation lock. Make sure iCloud Drive, Photos, and Messages are turned off if you want them removed. If this device will be sold or given away, erase all content and settings after signing out. Otherwise, leave your data backed up and retained for migration to the new account. Finally, create a new Apple ID using a different email address in Settings or at Appleid. Apple.com, pick a strong password and unique security questions. Verify the new email, then enable two-factor authentication right away to protect the account. After that, sign in on each device and selectively restore data from your backup, reconnect subscriptions, and rejoin family sharing if needed. If something goes wrong, reset your network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.